Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about this Superfurry FURRYDANDY beard oil, and this one is the Pimps and Pushers scent. Yes, you heard me right, Pimps and Pushers, apparently named after an Essex Express song called Pimps and Pushers and Prostitutes. Only from Superfurry would you get something like that. Now, as I said in the review for the cherry porn beard oil, yes, again, only from Superfurry, it is a base of safflower and castor oil, it's safflower seed, and the result is a really nice thick consistency beard oil that I really like. I do love a thick beard oil, and it's easily worked into the beard and it leaves it looking not bad, even though I do say so myself, due for a little bit of a trim, but it's looking quite good and it feels nice and soft. Now, the Pimps and Pushers scent. Now, this is how Ivan, owner of Superfurry, describes it. Pimps, pusher and prostitutes, a fragrant, sultry, sweet spiced for the misfits and ultra-ordinary. It's the tiger printed t-shirt, it's the velveteen shirt on a disco floor, it's that 70s detective show on TV, a scent based on the more heavy spiced high street perfume, luxury from the street. Only Ivan could come up with a description like that. It is very cologne-like. It is beautifully spicy, and it is done just really beautifully, this scent. It's just right. It's not overcooked it to try and impress. It's just got a really lovely spicy, almost cologne type scent to it. I really like it. Not as much as I did the cherry porn. That one still is my favourite of the FURRYDANDY oils. Ivan says this is his budget range, and yes, it comes in a plastic white bottle with a pump applicator, but that is the only thing budget about this oil, believe me. The contents are far from budget. This is beautiful oil and it's as good as it gets. I am going to give this a 95, only because the scent for me wasn't quite as good as that cherry porn, which was, to be honest, bloody incredible and quite hard to compete with. But 95 is a damn good score nonetheless. It is a 50ml bottle. It will cost you €14.50, or if you buy 4 or more, it's $12.50. But you can also get, I've got a flick over here, I've got a terrible memory, you can get the sampler set, which is all of the scents, all 10 of them, for, it's got to go down, I'm going to try and find you the size here because I'm so ill prepared. I've got a bloody clue, I'm so bloody blind. Look, you can get samples of all 10 scents. I tell you, why do I bother? For €5. So, you know, if you're unsure about the scents, get them and try them out. I'm really looking forward to working my way through all 10 of the scents. But Ivan really knows what he's doing, and he produces some incredible beard care based in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam. You've got to check out Superfurry, www.superfurry.nl. Go and check them out. I highly recommend them. They're in my top 5 beard care brands for good reason. The products are incredible. Ivan's very passionate about his products, and he produces damn good quality beard products right the way through the range, which has been sort of my impression of what I've tried so far. I can't fault them. That is that. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the old channel. I will see you next time. It will be more of the old FURRYDANDY beard oils. Take care.